Hey lovelies, what's up? It's Andrea and today is a new video for you guys. I'm back and I'm making videos again. So today's video is going to be, if you couldn't already tell from the title of the video, is how to apply magnetic lashes. Yay! So just a little disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a makeup artist or nothing like that. I don't even wear makeup or lashes on a daily basis, but this is me and how I learned to use magnetic lashes because I know a lot of people have been talking about it. I was really scared to try them at first, and then I tried them and it turns out they work really well. They're super easy to use. So if you guys never heard of me or never heard of my existence, or you never seen my face before, then that means you should probably watch this video in its entirety. And then if you like me, totally give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and be part of the babes, or my group, my lovelies out there who are subscribed to me, because you guys literally rock, especially for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Like, also ignore my face because I know it looks super duper greasy and it looks like I've been frying chicken on it. It just doesn't look the best today because I just got in front of the camera and started filming. So
I know that my eyelash is kind of doing whatever because I took them off right after I put them on, and I didn't really try to take the time into putting these back on.
Anyways, let's just get into a quick disclaimer about this video before we get into the actual tutorial. So the glue for these magnetic lashes is actually an eyeliner. It's a regular black eyeliner like so. So if you're not good at eyeliner, you don't necessarily have to be, and I'll tell you why. Because you apply, ooh, goodness, I almost dropped it. So you apply the liner onto your lash line and then you just stick the lash on right after it's done drying. So it doesn't need to be perfect because the lash is just going to end up sitting on top of it and you won't be able to see it anyways. So that's probably one of the best parts about this. And also, if you're really good at winged liner, you can also add a wing if you want to. I tried. Oh, that's not the good side. Yeah, here's a better side. And although I'm using the I Envy brand, this video is not sponsored by them. This was the only brand that I saw at the beauty supply store. All right, y'all, so that was my little disclaimer, and now we can get into the rest of this video.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be starting off with these gigantic magnetic lashes that I don't use in real life. I'm just using them for the video, and the I Envy magnetic liner. I'm not using the smaller lashes because I broke the magnet. If you need them, grab some tweezers and some tape. You don't have to use tweezers and a tape, but if you feel like you might need them, go ahead. And I also recommend tweezers that are not magnetic or made of metal.
Okay, y'all, so I just replaced the tape just to make sure it was a little bit even. So I decided to ditch the voiceover because it's just a lot easier if I do it like this and I get to bond with you guys if I'm talking like this. So okay, so we're gonna apply our eyeliner. So the thing about this eyeliner, or that's not glue, it's eyeliner, and it goes onto your eyes, not the lashes. So basically you put this onto your eyes and the lashes will clink with the eyeliner. The cool thing about this is that if you suck at winged eyeliner is that you can just apply it and leave it at that. You don't have to like extend it, make it a wing, nothing like that. All right, so this is what my lashes, this is what my eyeliner is looking like. It's pretty, I think it looks pretty good. Y'all, this is the first time I've ever done eyeliner this good in my life. I think it looks so good. All right, so the next step to applying magnetic, okay, there's a bus about to go through neighborhood. Okay, so the next step to applying magnetic lashes is to wait for the liner to dry. You don't want to just pop the lashes on because the eyeliner can still be wet. If you try to rearrange it, you could put eyeliner all over your eye and have to wipe it off, and it's just no. So just let it dry. It doesn't take that long to dry. I think in fact it's like pretty much almost dry. And the cool thing about this is that it does not have to be a perfect eyeliner or wing because the lash is basically gonna cover it up. If you want the liner to be a little bit more visible, then by all means make the line thicker. All right, so my lashes, y'all. All right, y'all, so my liner is dry, so now we're gonna apply our lashes. I showed you guys this earlier. I actually broke the lash off the magnet because I ripped it off the thing, so I probably have to go get new ones. And these are my favorite. These are the ones that I usually wear because they're super thin, they're not too thick, they're not too dramatic, but these are extra dramatic, so I decided I'm gonna use these for the video. They aren't even mine. These are the I Envy double strength magnetic liner and lash. All right, so I'm gonna take my tape off. Hopefully I don't look crazy. All right, so you're just gonna take these If you do decide to use tweezers, do not put them right against the magnet. You don't want it to come off of your eye with the tweezer. Look, it's already sticking, y'all. I touched the magnet by accident. So we got the first lash done. Of course, it doesn't look natural because of the length, but y'all, this is so cute. And I don't even think I need the mirror. I think I could just look in the camera and do it. This is how easy. Look how fast I applied that, y'all. I applied that with the quickness. One mistake that I constantly make with these lashes is I never go in my inner corner like that, just because I don't like the way it looks. I'm gonna try to fix it really quick so the lash can like stick. Y'all, this looks so good, honestly, and I love this. Okay, so these are a little bit more dramatic than what I normally go for. I usually don't use super long and super dramatic lashes. I don't know, it's not really my thing, but I did it for you guys because I thought you guys might like it. You cannot tell me that it wasn't super easy to put on. I've worn these before, not these, the other ones, and I feel like they lasted way longer than like regular lashes. They're easy to apply. You could just take them off and put them right back on. If you're good at liner, then this is great. If you're not, it's probably gonna be a hassle and you probably wouldn't want to do that, and that's perfectly fine. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, because that would really mean the world to me and I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I really hope this video helped you. I really do. And yeah, bye.